Hello beautiful people and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a styling video. This wig is from Megalook hair. It is a 613 18-inch ear-to-ear lace frontal wig, and I did custom color it to this beautiful blue and mint type of look, but it's mostly just mint hair. It looks absolutely stunning, so I'm going to take you guys through the process. Any and all products I'm using are from my company, the South African Hair Emporium, so you guys can find the hair serum and everything else that I'm using from my company. So enjoy my ups and downs. I'm trying to really figure out a nice style for this hair. I didn't want to just go for typical straight hair. I really wanted to do something different, but you guys will see what happened towards the end of the video. So this is the final look. Honestly, I think it looked better, a little bit better on the mannequin than actually on me. But I think the major contributing thing is my makeup. It wasn't supposed to look like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It wasn't supposed to look like this. I wasn't going for this infrared what. I actually feel like I should have just done a plain face, which is what I thought I wanted to do. And then as I saw the colors on the eyeshadow palette, I just kind of went crazy, and I kind of regret that. Seriously, I regret that. Yeah, so I'm not too happy with my makeup, but the hair itself is absolutely beautiful. You guys can look at that. Alright guys, so this looks tons better. Like, this looks so much better. I don't know if I added the clip where I'd done the other hairstyle and I didn't like it, but this literally looks so much better. So I just did a middle part, and then I kept the crimps in. So I took it out, washed the front of the wig, then reinstalled it on the next day. So this is a whole nother day. Also washed off my makeup. Guys, I don't know if you guys ever have this, but sometimes with hair and makeup, when it goes wrong, you literally have a meltdown because you were so excited, you really wanted it to work out, and then like you actually have it all on and it looks horrible. That is like the worst feeling. It really sucks. So this looks so much better. This looks so much better. I think I need to learn to, first of all, just do soft glam, like just soft plain makeup, something that does not need to be matchy because I do that a lot and I really like it. If I have blue hair, I like having blue eyeshadow, so I need to learn not to do that and just have like a plain face and let the hair be the center of attention instead of having it fight with the makeup. I really need to learn and master that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm so happy. I think it looks absolutely stunning. I am literally so happy. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah, so the hair is from Megalook hair. This is what the box looks like. Oh guys, the lighting. I really need to import another ring light because these local ring lights are not it. The voltage is so pathetic. Anyway, this is the box that it came in. It comes in a really nice and sturdy box. And I have 613 hair in 18 inches. I did custom color it using the mint green from my company, from the South African Hair Emporium. And I am so happy with the look. When I was crimping it, I was struggling because now it wasn't braided anymore. I was struggling with the top part, like, should I start the crimps here, like where to start them? Plus it was on the mannequin at the first time, so it was like really challenging, but oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Let me show you guys the length. So it's literally just like boob length. It is stunning. It is so stunning. And to know that I had this in another color previously and now I have it in this color and it's still holding up so well, and I think I'm going to recolor it again. I am so happy. I'm loving it. So guys, please check out Megalook. They are on Facebook, Pinterest, and YouTube and Instagram. I will have them tagged on my Instagram if you guys are interested in purchasing from them, or you can check the description box. I have all the information there for you guys. The hair dye is from my company. It is the mint green. You can actually make it darker or lighter. It literally just depends on what you do, and I use the watercolor method because it is so fast. It is literally super convenient, super fast. Yeah, so the watercolor method is really, it's the one. It's really the one. Oh, I love this hair. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.